Sirin Park is the vision of visitor Sirin Leelaratne, a visionary and philanthropist dedicated to advancing the well-being of others. His dedication to cultural exchange and Buddhist principles has touched communities from Sri Lanka to Canada. As the founder of the Buddhist Embassy in Ottawa and pioneer of the official Buddhist Road Sign Initiative, his work continues to build bridges between cultures. Sirin Park EcoTour, where nature's tranquility meets cultural heritage, an unforgettable journey that stays with you long after you leave. Experience the wonder of Sirin Park, where every visit supports conservation and cultural understanding.